we're gonna install a floating pedestal deck.
Let's show you how it's done.
So the reason that we're installing this floating pedestal deck is because we have deck over living space. And because we have the deck over living space, we needed this deck to be watertight and we need it to drain so no water would penetrate the inside of the house. And the way we achieve that is with this membrane roofing on top of this deck, so all the water would drain out. But the issue is, it's too damn sloped. So we're gonna solve that by installing a floating deck with these pedestals. Let's get into it. Step one, you gotta sweep the deck. So the reason why we wanna sweep the deck to get all the dirt and debris off of it, because we don't wanna damage our waterproof membrane below. We also want a clean, level surface to work off of. And we worked smarter, not harder, so we got rid of the broom and got the blower.
Next step, you're gonna measure and mark your layout.
So our deck is exactly 8 feet wide and our pavers are about 2 feet wide. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark the exact center of our deck and work out from there, so all the cut edges are on the outside. And now we snap a line. Nice. And now that we have our center point line, we can start setting some pedestals. So after we mark our layout, we find our starting height point. And once we find that point, we install our pedestals, starting with the smallest and then working our way up to the biggest as the deck slopes. So to start the deck, you need to break off 2 of these tabs so that the pavers don't rest on top and it can start level.
I'm gonna come over this way quite a bit.
Your way?
Yeah.
2 though, right?
Yeah.
But that's better.
That's better.
Okay, so let's do a little ripper on it then.
Now that we have our starting point, we're gonna place the paver on top of the pedestals and we're gonna start stacking on this end until the paver is completely level. That's good. Now we're gonna continue this process all the way down the deck.
Needs to go down. There, 0.1. Occasionally you have to make a couple cuts. Right here at our starting point, we had to make a cut since our door sticks out farther than our wall here. So I made a nice L cut. Oh, shit. Ow, fuck. So to be efficient, while Dalton's installing all these full pavers, I'm gonna make all the cuts on the outside. You can call me the cut man. We're using a wet saw with a diamond blade to cut these pavers. Also, don't forget your safety gear.
So up here at the top, we're working with fixed pieces. We'll place them down and we will shim them to level with these rubber shims and these plastic shims. But as we work our way down the deck, we have these pedestals that spin and self-level to slope.
You might run into a cut where I'm doing right now, where you got not 1, not 2, but 3 different jogs. Just take it step by step. It should be pretty easy. All right, let's see here. 17 should do the trick. I just got it marked out. Now we need to go cut it. We just got it cut. Hopefully she fits the right distance. All right, let's check it. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby. Just get a level on that thing.
Oh, zeros.
No way.
Yeah. That's perfect.
And that's how you install a floating deck.
All you internet gurus were wrong once again. We got it done.